Hey, what's happening, guys? So this is my ADVG Skierg, and you can see I'm missing a handle and my cord is snapped. So it's extremely difficult to get parts if you didn't originally buy it from ADVG. This is my attempt in fixing it. I bought it secondhand on Facebook Marketplace after a few weeks of trying to get hold of ADVG and trying to get parts from them. It was an extremely difficult process. I bought parts from Concept 2 because I saw on one of their Facebook Marketplaces that they said it was compatible. Recently bought the parts, so let's see if I can get it fixed. Okay, so here's the insides of it. You can see this part here is the bungee part. It's like very bungee-like. And then here is the more harder cable. So I took a screw off here, which used to have the broken one, look like this. Okay, and now on the cord that Concept 2 gives you, you've got one part here that's got no knot, and then over here on the other side you've got the knot. So my thinking was thread this through, push this all the way up, attach it, and then I'll have the knot there, which should kind of help, and then I'll have the screw as well. So let's do it. Okay, tighten the screw, got all the cord through. Okay, and then if you look up, you should see it goes through there, comes here, and then it'll go up there. Let's get that threaded through at the top. What I've done is put the handle through. I've tied a knot here, and then I'm going to attach it. So I'm going to attach it on the side, make it go wrap around, and then push it through. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Dun, dun, dun. Dish, dish. Okay. Not as easy. But there you have it. Stay there. There you go. You get the idea that I'll put it through there and then I'll tighten her up. Okay, I got the screws on, handle attached, and it's attached there. Next up, I'm going to start spinning it. I don't know if I should take this off though. I'll have a look now. But I'll start spinning it and then it should be ready to go. Okay, I loosened the bungee here and obviously messed up this whole section here. So I'm going to twist this around and then I'll have to get the bungee going. Wrap it on. I noticed with this one, the cord is in the front, so I left this one on the front as well. And then if you look up there, you can see it's nice and tight like that one. So let's do the bungee. Threaded most of it through as it comes down, so it's tied up there. I make it go left of the left hand or left of the right hand spoolie, so that guy right there comes down there, then up, then finger that one, then back down, then that one down, and then up, and then he goes up over. I use this clamp to hold it so that I can attach it there. Okay, there you have it. So cord in, wrapped it around twice, put it through the little hole, and then if I pull it down now, let's see it goes. I think the reason I got that noise is because you can see that one's a little bit high, or that a little bit long, which I'll shorten shortly. But there you have it. So that's how I installed Concept 2 parts on my ADVG. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop it below and I'll happily help out.